Okay, today we're going to combine like terms. We're going to simplify expressions, which we discussed the other day. We're going to simplify expressions by combining terms that look alike. So what do like terms look like? They would be terms of an expression that have the same variable and the same exponent. We also call exponent power. All right, so let's talk about 3x. I want like terms and unlike terms. Okay, so we want like terms for 3x and unlike terms. So let's do the like terms first. Remember, it has to have the same variable and the same exponent or power. So our variable is x and the power is 1. It's always understood to be 1 unless there's another exponent written there. So like terms, 7x, negative 15x, x, because in front of x there's always a 1 unless otherwise stated. And we could have negative 22x. They all have x as a variable, so therefore they are like terms. Unlike terms, 13x squared, 2x to the 4th power, 23a. They don't even have the same variable. 5x to the negative 4 power, or 7xy. None of those have the same variable, which is x to the 1st power. We have an x here, but it's to the 2nd power. We have an x to the 4th power. This is x to the 1st. All right, so we're going to talk about expanded form versus simplified form. So expanded form is the expression itself. And we are going to simplify by combining like terms. All right, so our first one is going to be 21x plus 9x. Okay, so we don't care what the numbers are, the coefficients, they can be different. What we're looking for is our variable. Do they both share the same variable? Yes. So therefore, when I combine these two, I am going to get 30x. Simplified form is combining like terms. I'm going to have 80x minus 13x. Okay, again, they both have like terms. Now, whenever you see subtraction, I want you doing keep, change, change. So 80x, change subtraction to addition, and change 13 to its opposite, which is negative 13. When I combine those two, I'm going to get 67x. All right, if I have 15x plus 4y minus 27x. First thing I want to do is my keep, change, change. Keep the 4y, change subtraction to addition, change positive 27 to its opposite, which is negative 27. Now here we have to figure out which terms can we combine. All right, I have an x, I have a y, I cannot combine x and y, and I have another x. So I can combine those two terms, and I'm going to get negative 12x. And because for y, there aren't any other terms that have a y, I'm just going to add that on to the end. Okay, so I combined like terms. Okay, one more example. We have 4x squared plus 6x minus 2x squared minus 17x. All right, once again, keep, change. So wherever I have subtraction, I'm changing that to adding its opposite. Adding negative 2x squared. Adding negative 17x. Now we need to find those terms that are alike. So I have x squared and I have x squared. So I can combine my variable of x raised to the second power. 4 plus negative 2 is positive 2x squared. Can I combine the other terms? If I have x here and x, I can combine 6x and negative 17x. And that's going to give me negative 17 plus 6 is negative 11x. That is how you would combine terms that are alike. You're looking for the same variable to the same power.